Hello everybody, welcome to a unboxing of, which I've never done before, of a, see this here, Flight Adventure, Meccano Maker System. We're going to do an unboxing and then we're going to build it. I might skip the building, maybe not. If you want to, you can. The time will be down the description to skip it. Skip the building part if I do it, which I'm probably going to. And see when it's fully done. So we're gonna unbox it here. It looks quite interesting how it's unboxed. And I am doing this upside down, I would per se. So, it's two, not right. That's sharp. Right, so we're gonna cut this here. Cut this here. Alright, looks good. Nope. We got another one to cut here. Oh, and these are 10 different ones you can build right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not sure which one I might do. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do yet. There's this one here. Then there's a jet. One of the jets, an airplane, helicopter, another jet, then a bike on like a ski thing, like one of the first helicopters they've ever made. Another airplane kind of jet, another jet, and then one of those wind things there. We're gonna cut it. I cut through the box. Not what I anticipated. This knife is sharper than I thought. There we go. So, if you can hear it, a lot of parts in there. And it does come with these tools here. You can see them. No, you cannot see them. There you go. These tools here. Right, so right here, I'm gonna unbox it right here. And there's more tape. That's terrific. Can't tape this up anymore. Alright, here we go. Oh, alright. Looks nice. There's a lot of parts and bags in here. There's a bunch of screws. Washers and little rubber pieces here, rubber bushings. Lots of nuts and bolts. Look at all those. Metal wings and one of the tools right there. And more little metal pieces and parts. And then we also got the instructions here. Let me take a look through this. It says number 4 is 1. Oh, maybe it's not 10. Maybe it's just 4. Maybe it's just 4 of them. Let's see, this one is the jet. Yeah, it's gonna be upside down for you guys because this is. Let's continue here. This is the another like weird futuristic jet. Here's the bike, the helicopter, and that's it. Well, for starters, I think I'm gonna do the helicopter right here. So, let me take a look here. I think the helicopter would be pretty cool to have. It's literally like a blueprint because it's like real metal and screws and stuff, which is pretty cool. It's almost like Legos, but it's a little more difficult, I would say. Maybe not as cool as Legos. I might do a Lego one. I have a garbage truck that I've opened, but I haven't even built it yet, and it's from like 2 or 3 years ago. So, yeah, we'll, get to building, and, yeah, should be pretty cool. So, first thing is first, we need to build this right here. Like I said, links will, or not links, but, the time where I end this, will be in the description if this video goes well. Let me see if I can open this. There we go. Bunch of little pieces here. So there might be a part 1 and there might be a part 2 to this. But this looks good. So we need, oh, I got it upside down. Wow. So we need one of those. Whoa. Which doesn't seem like they're in here. Let me look in another bag. Maybe they are, I'm just blind. Yeah, they are. I see them now. So you need to take one of these. Actually, you need to take 2 of those. Right here. And a long screw. One of these. So one of these things right here, it's like, just like that. And then we need one of these. Uh-oh, I set some, okay, they're over here. And excuse me. Another one of those. And 2 nuts. Square ones, and then we put all those together in a certain pattern. That was strange. So we need one of these here. I'm gonna keep these in the bag because of how tiny they are and how much of a mess they're gonna make. So I need 2 square ones. Really pain in the butt to get out. got a couple here. Look how tiny these things are. That's tiny. This is like an average 13-year-old's hand, and that's still tiny. So, what do we got here? Put these there. So we gotta put these like this. Whoa. Like this here. So we should probably do the top one first here. It says to put on a bolt first and then put the screw through. I'm going to do that then. Tighten it on here. Alright. And then we're going to put these two pieces like this. Put that in there. That in there. Then we're going to do these. And then, okay. We're going to put the screw is falling out. Right. So then we're going to put another little bolt on here to hold those together. Shoot. Alright. Put those on there, like so. And I'll be right back when I get this. Alrighty, guys. Okay, so I am back. So I got it right here, like this. So now we need 2 of these pieces. That's what it's showing here in the instructions, not destructions. And then we need 2 little tiny short screws. The tiny ones. It looks like we're going to need the tool for this one. Alright. Excuse me. So we need this red tool out of here. Oh. Cannot get this open. Okay, there we are. Got this little tool right here. It looks pretty cool. You gotta put this screw on the end of it. This little bolt here. And then we put 2 of these together. Oh, we need a 5-hole one. And then a 4-hole one, which is, there's a 5, and then a 4, Here's another 5 and a 4. Put those to the side. So then we put a 4 on a 5 like this. Then we... Crap, I lost a screw. It's fine. Well, I see it. I was gonna grab another one because I have like 2 million of them. Alright. So, you gotta put them together. Put a screw there. Like so. And then you gotta grab another one. And put that one there. Then we gotta grab a couple more square bolts. Put one here. And do this right. There we go. And then we grab another one and put it there. No. Then we gotta put it through. Oh, I did it wrong, but that's okay. I can always redo it. Let me put crap. No, we don't put crap somewheres. We put this here bolt on this screw. Like, I'm acting like you guys don't know how to do that, but just saying. There are some people that don't know how to do it. Kind of like me. See here. We got that all tightened up. Kind of. There we go. Now I gotta unscrew this one because I messed up. And then we put it through here. If you can hear a fan, that's my PlayStation running. We put it through this piece that we just made, and we then bolt it to there. Alrighty. So then we're going to need the tool here and tighten this down. Like so. There we go. So it's like that. And then I'm going to do it again on the other side. And I know we didn't make much progress, but I'll call it there. And then I'll see you in number 2. Alright. So I'll be right back. Alrighty. So I tried to do this. It came out okay, but these keep coming loose, and I don't know what I did wrong. Maybe you could tell me down in the comments. But right now, this is going to be held on pause because this is way too hard for me. I know people are probably like, what do you mean it's hard? It's super easy. I know, it probably is super easy. Just I can't do it, and I'm kind of giving up at the moment. I've been sitting here about 30 minutes trying to do this, and this keeps coming loose. And I use the tools, they helped, but then it just keeps loosening it back up again. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. If you can tell me, you can down in the comments. If not, that's fine. Sorry, I was just looking at the instructions. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Maybe next time we'll probably do Legos, because that's a little easier for me. Hang on one second. Alrighty. Sorry about that. I thought I heard something. So yeah, next time we might do some Legos, because those are a little easier for me and cool, and they've got a lot of different functionalities, and this is just like something stationary. Might not really do anything, but so that's gonna wrap it up for today. If you want to see more things like this, comment down below. And if you want to see the Lego garbage truck, comment down below, and give this video a like, and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll start coming out with these more often. This is my first one I've ever done. So maybe I went a little too hard on me for the first time. I used to do a lot of building and modeling like this, but I kind of got out of that and went into computers. Built my own gaming computer, and I still haven't gotten the software to record on my computer yet. I'm still trying to figure that out, because I don't have a mic right now, so that's not really helping me at all. But there is some things I can try. Sorry, I keep hearing noises and I have no clue what they are. So yeah, like I said, that'll wrap it up for today. Or tonight, I should say. It's, I want to say maybe about 11 o'clock. Yeah, and see you guys next time.